Are you ready to upgrade your home charging experience? Introducing the Wallbox Pulsar Plus EV Charger, the ultimate solution for fast, efficient, and smart home charging. The Pulsar Plus offers the perfect balance of compact size and powerful performance, delivering up to 40 amps of charging power or 11.5 kilowatt, getting you back on the road faster than ever before. Designed with elegance, the matte black finish ensures it blends seamlessly with any home, whether indoor or out. And with 25 feet of cable, it's ready to work in any space. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, the My Wallbox app gives you complete control. Monitor your charging, set schedules, and even lock or unlock your charger right from your phone. And thanks to voice control, you can even use Alexa or Google Assistant to manage your charging. Just say the word, and your car is ready to go. With its NEMA Type 4 rating, the Pulsar Plus is built to withstand the elements, whether it's rain, snow, or shine, ensuring safe and reliable charging wherever you are. Adjustable power up to 40A for faster charging, power sharing enabled for optimized energy use, and open charge point protocol capable for easy integration with your existing systems. Whether you're charging at home, in your garage, or outside, the Wallbox Pulsar Plus is the smart, fast, and reliable choice to power your electric future. And right now, save big with our clearance sale. Get this cutting-edge EV charger for just $649.99, down from $699. Don't miss out. Order today. Elevate your energy game with us at SolarCellz USA.com.